Hi friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to grow plants faster using coco peat and how to make coco peat easily at your home. Before we begin, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button to see more videos just like this. So without wasting any time, let's start now. First of all, you have to collect some coconut husks just like this. Make sure that they are well dried, and then you have to pull the fiber out from the coconut husk using your hands. After separating the fiber out from the coconut husk, you can separate the coco peat from them. I will show you how to do that. Make sure that your fibers are well dried. You can separate coco peat more easily from the fibers when they are well dried under the sunlight. So make sure to dry the coconut fiber under sunlight. Okay, now you have to just do like this to get the coco peat out from the coconut fibers. Now I will explain you about some of the advantages of using coco peat. Coco peat improves aeration for the plants. It also reduces frequency of irrigations, and coco peat also enhances strong and healthy rooting system. Coco peat also contains natural enzyme and added plant nutrients. Coco peat holds and provides water and nutrients as required to your plants. And coco peat also helps to improve the yield in your plants. Coco peat is physically stable and very slow to disintegrate. And coco peat also improves physical and biological condition of the soil, and it also reduces the temperature of soil. And it also supports soil's microbiological activity or the life of the soil. So the coco peat will help your plant to grow fast, and it will allow your plant to stay healthy. Okay, now our coco peat is ready. Now I will show you how to use this coco peat to grow your plants. You should take a container with little drainage holes at the bottom just as like this, and now what you have to do is you have to fill up the container using the coco peat. I am not using any soil or any fertilizer. I am only using just the coco peat to grow my plants. Okay, after filling the coco peat into the container, now it is the time to plant our plant into the container. You can take any type of plant cutting, and you can gently place the plant cutting into the prepared coco peat. Remember to water the plant after planting it into the coco peat. No need to water the plant frequently because coco peat will hold your water for a long time. This is a big advantage of planting your plants into the coco peat. Okay friends, this is how you can grow plants in coco peat. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also let me know your doubts in my comment section. Once again, thanks for watching and have a very wonderful day guys.